Hello there, welcome back. This is Ahmos. Today we will work with the Google application. We'll try to explore the Google applications. Told you before that we have a certain account, only one unique account, and this account will work to let you sign in to several applications like the Play Store, the Gmail, the G Drive, and stuff like this, and other applications that the Google Chrome also can let you install it in your machine as an offline application that it will help you a lot. So today we'll not explore a certain application, but just we will show you how to browse with this application, how to install this application, and stuff like this. This is our Gmail, and remember this account that we created before and secure it. And also remember the G Drive that we told you before. The G Drive is sharing with the email, or the email is sharing with the G Drive. Anyway, Google give you 15 gigabytes of free space that you work with it for your Gmail and your G Drive. So if you fill the G Drive, you will got a problem in space. If you fill your Gmail with a lot of emails, I wonder that nobody did it before. 15 gigas is more than sufficient and more than enough. So it's okay. So we have a lot of applications will work with our space. One of them is a Gmail and one of them is a G Drive. Here is your calendar that you can work with it and add stuff like schedules and agendas and stuff like this. And also we can browse easily from this area to all the Google applications. Also there is an icon here. I don't know where it's right now. Maybe we have some settings here to show something in the menu. Forget about it right now. I'll show you like a small icon here. Let you browse the Google applications. So what's more application we can have? We can have also other applications, and this is not only the applications that Google got. There is a lot of other applications that you may explore it and enjoy it, and we will talk about a lot of them later on. So also one of the applications that you can use it is the Play application. The Google Play, I mean, or the application store that let you connect a mobile. When you got a mobile, an Android mobile, and you connect it with this account, you can install application directly from here to your device. Actually, we may not have a device right now, but let's try to have any of this application. Okay, we find okay. The, take care that some applications that you install in your mobile is not completely free. So this will let you ask you for paying around $2, and so let's get a free application. Okay. So let's try to install it. If this account is connected, and we will show a video later on how to connect your mobile to your Gmail account, so you can directly install and work with this. All the mobiles and all the accounts like WhatsApp and stuff like this, the Viber, they need an email to be connected to it. So we'll show you this issue later on. So you can directly install from Google Play all the applications for the mobile, your mobile application from this area. Also, let's go back. So as I told you before that we this is not the only area, or this is not the only icon from Google to see your applications. Even if you try to open a new tab, you can find small icon like this, or browse to applications from here. So if you go and browse by the icons, the Chrome, then this is the address, the real address. This is the application you have associated with this account. Okay, this application, so we can add more applications. But from where we can add more applications? I told you that is there's certain applications already exist here. Maybe we can call it the standard applications, the calendar and Gmail and maps and stuff like this. So what about if we need to install applications or new applications from the Google Chrome? I talked with you about the Apple Store, sorry, the Play Store, that contains all the softwares for the Android software for the mobile devices and stuff like this. So in this area, you have the already installed application. We have it's around 6 applications associated with this account. So let's go and try to check more applications. So for getting more applications, we go to the web store. This is just a shortcut, but you can really save this address later on in order to not be. It's just chrome.google.com web store. This is the address. So we need to now any application here. We have a lot of categories. So let's try to install one of these applications. So this is the Flow software. It's free. So let's install it. Let's install it. So remember now that you got the opportunity to have some application working with your mobile and another application working in your desktop, and there's a common applications that work directly with the mobile and the desktop. Remember the G Drive itself, it has a software to be installed on your device, the mobile device. So if you install the G Drive to the mobile, you will have a sync. They will not install or they will not download all the stuff, but it's an option to have and to see your web drive in a way, in a better way in your mobile device. So there is 3 type of application for the desktop, application for the mobiles, and applications, a common application between the desktop and the mobile, and there is a charity between them. So if we install this version, okay, give you a preview, a movie about this game, details about it, reviews and people who rated, and we just play checking. It's asking you now, and remember this is a confirm a new application to the Google application. Okay, I'll add this new application. I start to install the application and appear here in the menu of application. I mean, if I go to a new tab like this and check apps, so I find the new game that I did install it here, and that's about the Google applications. Okay, so we will not play right now with the game, keep it later, but anyway, like I told you, this is the way to install, and it's okay right now. You got the idea. I want you to show you what's the idea. Okay, like I told you before, if we go to applications where like this, if I go to the store, or no, I'm a little bit confused, not this area. That's from the G drive. If I go to the play, I told you something that don't bother yourself from where I got the icon. All this got an address, and you can add this to your bookmarks or your favorites. So don't worry. When you got something, this is a Play Store. This is a Play Store, and this is and this is the Google Chrome applications. It's added. So that's all. Don't bother yourself from where I got the icons. I think from this page. No, don't bother yourself. Just remember that all things or all those sites are related to certain icons, certain URL. I'm sorry, certain URL. Okay, so you got the idea. Let's try now to search for something. You need something to work with it. I'll show you one of these applications. I told you that we will not directly work with certain application. We just explore the Google apps. Okay, so let's try to find something to work with it. Think Google. Hi, he giving me a lot of suggestion. Okay, I want to draw something. Okay, drawing. Okay, yeah, is an application to work with Google to draw. Yeah, they give me a lot. Let's try the first one. Let's try the first one. Like I told you, if you just click here, you will get a view of the application. You may have some pictures, snapshots. You may have a complete movie. You may have details about the application like this. Some reviews, people who work with this before, like it, didn't like it, and some related. It's something in the same category that you want to work with it in the same category. And also, I don't know why they putting the Google Drive with this application. So I know, but I will tell you later. So if they putting something like this, you should know that there is a relation between these applications in the category or in the using each other. Okay, let's go. I told you the icon is free. Here is forget about the free words. You need to get free applications, or if you have to pay, it's okay. If it's a powerful application and it's essentially for you, to got it. If it's not free, so from the icon free here, if you click it, this will start the installation. Just saying checking, and you want to add it. Okay, I want to add it, and quickly it's open this menu and add the application. Okay, so and you know now from where you get this. Okay, uh, let's go and try the application quickly. uh, I will draw. I will not draw. I just want to tell you I will explore this software later. It's very good and nice. Okay, I'll explore it. Image. It's a quick drag and drop image. Take a snapshots by URL from my even if you from the G drive. Oh, this application using the G drives. Okay, so we have. I think we have a baby here. Yes, is it here? Here it is. Okay, so I can select to add picture from my G drive. Okay, that's very nice. So is this the application? Yeah, we work with it, make shapes. They're very nice, very nice. It's very good, and you can move it. So is it free? Yeah, it's free. It's free. It's free applications that we can work with it. Very nice application. Can we add something here? Yeah, we can. Right, blah blah blah. Okay, choose font and guys, very nice, very nice. Okay, so what's else? What's else? Where we can what we can do and where we can save all this stuff. So you need to explore. It's not time to explore this application right now. It's time to see Google application. So let's save this. Okay, save. Let's save this. Everything need to be printed or save it. Okay, so forget about this one. Okay, let's make a new document. Let's make a new document. Okay, okay, okay. I don't like it untitled, so make it A23. Okay, and let's make file new. Okay, presentation. So what's about? So you don't just recognize right now that you have a document, a presentation, a spreadsheets and forms and drawings. Remember this one? We first work with it, the drawings. Okay, but let's open one of the drawings. You will find the A22. Okay, and this means that's A22. Do you remember this area? Yeah, this is the My Drive. This is the Google Drive. So all these applications are working and saving all the software, all the documents in a certain and a central place for you associated with this account, which is called the G drive. Okay, your G drives. here, this is synchronization. I create another document. Okay, so you have an opportunity now to make a new document, presentation, spreadsheets, and forms. So it's like an office place. We don't want to talk about office. Okay, so that's all about the Google applications, and you have all this stuff are free. You can work with it. It gives you a very simple functions. This is not on Microsoft Excel, but it's give you a little bit a very small functions to work with it for for users. See, okay. I think summation. Okay, for this 3 areas. Okay, so this is just a quick overview about the Chrome applications that you can work with it. Just log into your email account. Where is your email account? Okay, just log in to the Google with this account to check the Gmail. You will find a very small icon here, and from this icon you can work with a lot of stuff, and you can go direct also to the applications that you did install it in your machine, the applications that you did install it before in your machine from the new tab like this. Okay, and you will find a lot of application. Remember the drawing. This drawing will let you work with pictures and documents, like doing add text, add stuff like this, images. Work with your drive to get the images, our only image. Okay, work with the image orientation and size, and add several options. And you finally, whenever you name or rename this drawing, it will be added to your Google Drive, and you can adjust the folders later on. Start to open. When you open, you will have this didn't update right now. This is a A24. You may find it if you go to the Google Drive. You may here the A24 is just not updated in this area. Okay, and also from this area you can work with the documents, add documents, presentation, stuff like this. This is a quick overview for the Google applications, the Google Chrome applications. Let's be specified, the Google Chrome applications. Welcome, and see you later. Thanks for listening.